Hey Tube, welcome back. When you type a website name like youtube.com into your browser, how does your computer know where to go? The internet is a massive network of devices. To send and receive data, every device needs its own unique identifier. That identifier is called IP address. Okay, so what is an IP address? Let me, yeah, I guess this is better. An IP address, which stands for Internet Protocol Address, is essentially the unique street address for a device on a network. It's a set of numbers that helps data find its destination. Without IP address, data packet would be like a letter with no address on it. It wouldn't know where to go. So, not all IP addresses are created equal. Two types, or you have two main types. First, you have private IP addresses. This is address given to a device within your local network, like your home Wi-Fi, for example. It's not visible to the outside world. Laptop and your phone might have different private IP addresses, but they are both behind the same front door. Front door is your IP address. It's a single address that your entire home network uses to communicate with the internet. What the outside world sees is assigned to your router by your internet service provider. Have version 4 and IP version 6. So you have probably heard of IP address version 4 and IP address version 6. Address version 4, it's something like what you see here. It looks like that. About like four sets of numbers separated by dots for over 4 billion possible combinations, which sounds a lot, but I guess we've almost run out. We have a lot of devices. So next we have IP address version 6. So to solve this problem, a new standard called IP version 6 was created. It uses a much longer combination of numbers and letters, allowing for virtually unlimited number of unique addresses. The IP address version 6 will look something like that. While a lot of the internet still runs on IP address version 4, IP address version 6 is slowly becoming new standard. Okay, so what's website server or device in your home? An IP is a fundamental identifier that allows it to send and receive information across the network. It's how the internet finds its way. For this video and see you in the future.